Hi there, this is Marie Jones, your Perfectly Posh consultant. And if you're watching this video, you must be as excited as I am. Why? You got your samples, you are so happy. And now it's time for me time. In this video, we're gonna be talking all about Core 2018 Perfectly Posh products. So if you have attended one of my Perfectly Posh parties, or a guest of one of my hosts, or maybe you have gone to my website and you have requested some Perfectly Posh samples, you will be receiving a package like this or like this. So let's talk about the first sample. Gel Yes. This is a gel to water moisturizer, and it's the last step that you take when you are doing your facial routine. Go ahead and wash your face with your face products if you do not have Perfectly Posh. If you do have Perfectly Posh, you can use the BFF or Show Off. Use a toner. I happen to like Squeeze Me. And then you're going to go ahead and put a pea size on your face. This sample is called You Apricot Me, and it is a exfoliating body polish. I absolutely love the way that this smells. It smells like you're slathering juicy, ripe apricots all over your body. But of course, who would do that? This is a very light exfoliant, and I enjoy putting it on the upper part of my body. Of course, with all exfoliants, you want to make sure that you do not use it in any sensitive or private areas. New in 2018, the healer in a snarky bar. Yeah, can you believe that? I cannot. This is absolutely so awesome. It is loaded in shea butter and it smells just like the healer stick. It is a very light exfoliator. This you also, again, use on your body. I recommend on your heels, on your elbows, and not in your private areas or sensitive areas. What do you get when you combine goat's milk, oats, honey, and coconut? Only one of the best chunks ever made by Perfectly Posh. Milking it. In this sample here, you get to experience what our chunks are all about. Milking it has a refreshing scent of milk and citrus. If you love citrus, you're absolutely going to love our Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream Satsuma. It's light, not greasy, and a little bit goes a long way. The coconut oil and apricot kernel oil smooth your hands, providing you long-lasting moisture. Soothe your dry skin with jam-packed body butter. This body butter smells so good, you're gonna wanna eat it, but don't. And also, my disclaimer, make sure your kids know that it's not Yoplait yogurt. Now, a little bit goes a long way. Remember what I said before in my other videos, less is more. So you wanna make sure that you just take a very tiny bit. I would recommend a quarter size and smooth it onto your arms, and then another quarter size for your legs. This body butter is jam-packed full of antioxidants, specifically acai and passion fruit oils. To request samples, go to bit.ly.com/MyPoshFix to request your 2018 Posh samples. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can reach me at marie@poshpromoters.com or go to facebook.com/poshpromoters to talk with me on PM. Check out my other videos on more samples that you can request. Thank you so much for watching and requesting samples.